Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Stage YouTube channel guys. Today we will be giving the update on Bitcoin and the altcoins. We'll see what kind of pattern Bitcoin and the altcoins are showing. So let's start with the Bitcoin first. Guys, Bitcoin is showing around $34,061 and it is moving inside this triangle guys, big triangle. We can see, and guys, it is moving inside this triangle. And guys, it is moving inside this triangle. We have seen a fake breakout from that triangle when the Bitcoin has breakout from 37,600. We have seen Bitcoin moving around 41,400, and we have seen the Bitcoin is approximated towards the previous resistance, which was around at $42,000, but Bitcoin has it 41,400, and after we have seen the Bitcoin has dumped and was touching around at the support area, which was around at 36,800, and after that we have seen the Bitcoin has moved inside this triangle, which was it was touching the support resistance area for the Bitcoin, which was previously a support area, and now it has become the resistance area. And we have seen again the dump in the Bitcoin. And the guys, the most important thing is to notice is that the support area of this triangle, which is around at 31,800, if we are dumping from that level, if we are losing this support, that is this support level, if we are losing, then guys we can see a great dump in the Bitcoin that can lead to the next support area. If we see, the next support area is approximately around at this area, that is 28,000 to 28,300 dollar. We can see this support, and if we are losing that support also, then the next support is around at 22,000, and if we are losing that support also, then we are seeing this support that is at 16,000 or 17,000 dollars. So we need to see this. The majorly I am seeing the Bitcoin is around at $28,000. If we are not pumping, then we are again seeing the next support at 22,000. But if we are seeing this support, then approximately we have seen this strong support also. This was also a strong support, and after seeing this support, if the Bitcoin is touching this support, that is at $31,000, then the complete head and shoulder pattern will be formed in the Bitcoin. And we can see a drop in the Bitcoin more towards approximately the 20 to 25% dump we can see. Yes, many admins and many other YouTubers are showing that it is according to the head, but the head is approximately 85%, and 85% is approximately more than if we see $33,000, we can see 85, or yeah, 43,000 to $3,500 we can see, but it is not Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin can touch that much, but we can see approximately 25% to 30% correction more we can see. That is from approximately this level, $22,000 or 41%, that is $17,000, and from that we can see a pump in the Bitcoin. We can see move at this, and we can see accumulation, and we can see again back to the $60,000. So it will takes time. It can take to then the Bitcoin can take the can pump. The bull cycle can come in the December month, or in the January month. We can see a Bitcoin in the bullish mode. So until then we are not bullish. If we are breaking that for 45,000 or $50,000 resistance, we are bullish in the Bitcoin. Until unless there, we are not bullish. And the strong support, we can see a bounce right now. If we talk about the bounce area, from where we can bounce is approximately inside this triangle. That is approximately, let us see in the 4-hour time frame, that is approximately at this level. Let us see this triangle, that is approximately 31,500 31,800. We can see a bounce, but if we are not bouncing, then guys we are losing this support. And guys, if we see this is the triangle. If we make this triangle as a as a next triangle. If we are bouncing, if we are crossing this line, that is $34,000, 34,600, if we are crossing, then the next resistance is around at $39,000 at this line. And again we can see a dump, we can pump from here, we can dump, we can see a resistance around this line, and we can dump again here, and from this we can see again a dump in the Bitcoin if we are losing the support. So this is the update for the Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, let us talk about the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is showing that it can dump to this support, that is approximately this support, 44.448. we can see a dump. That means there is a mini pump in the altcoins. Altcoins can show a small pump, but if the altcoins are not pumping, if the Bitcoin dominance is not dumping or it is pumping, the next resistance is around at 48, and the next is around at 51 to 50 level. So this is the main support and the resistance right now for the Bitcoin dominance. If we see the BNB is showing that it has lost this triangle and it is dumping, it can show a dump. So the support is approximately at $196. So I am waiting around at 196 for the BNB. If it is dumping, if the Bitcoin is dumping, and if we see dump in the BNB at that level, I will grab some BNB. If it is not coming, then I am not worried in the BNB. So let's see the last update. The last update of the coin is ICP. ICP is very seems to be bullish, because guys, we are seeing bullish divergence in the ICP. You can see there was a second support for the ICP. We have seen a support. First support was around at $93, and the second support was around at 53, and it is making the support at this. And this is showing that the higher lows are made on the ICP and lower lows are made on the asset, that is on the ICP. That shows that the bullish divergence is confirmed, because before showing this bullish divergence, we have seen this higher low, this low and this higher low at this level, and after that it has breakout from this falling wedge triangle. This confirms two things of the bullish divergence, that is the breaking out from the pattern and the bullish divergence. Both are confirming that the ICP is bullish. So I have already bought around at $52. I am loss approximately, let me calculate the loss. I am approximately 10% to 12% I am loss in the ICP. So I am waiting, I am holding ICP till now. So ICP is looking strong. You can, if you want to buy some ICP, you can. So guys, this was a small update for the Bitcoin and the altcoins and the some coins that I have told right now. So guys, if you want to, you can buy. And guys, if you like this video, click on the like button. The button is given below, and click on the subscribe button also, the red button that is given below. And guys, please also join my Telegram channel, that is the Crypto Stage. You can find the link of that channel in the description. And guys, you please join that Telegram channel, because on that channel I daily provide voice chat on the that channel. So keep just subscribe to my Telegram channel and share this Telegram channel to your friends and family.